Hello Reflex teachers, this is Marie Henderson. In this video we're going to look at getting your roster created for the new school year here and going ahead and getting rid of some of the classes that you may have taught in previous years. And so this is the screen that you get when you log into your teacher account for Reflex, the parent company of which is Explore Learning. So you see the Explore Learning logo here. And so I'm going to click to manage students. And I'll see the class that I used last year that I won't need anymore. And so here at the top right, I'm going to click Class Settings, and I'm going to go ahead and click to delete this class. And it's going to ask me if I really want to do that, and I'm going to say yes. And then any other class that I've previously taught or previously used, I can go ahead and do the same thing for. So again, just click Class Settings and then to delete class, and that way you'll be back to having no classes and you'll only get reports about the class you're using. And so we'll click here to create your first class, and you can name it however you want to, and if you need to you can add additional teachers here, and then we'll just click to add class. And so now I have my class created and we've imported all the students for you, so you're going to click this middle button here to add students from school roster. And so I select that button and then I can just search for the names of my students. The first thing you want to do is probably switch to filtering by grade level so that you only get the ones you need, and then you can just type in a few letters of the student's name and then pick the students that need to be on your roster. As you go through and do that, I'm just showing a couple examples here. Each one gets added to your overall list, and you can see now I've picked 3 kids and it says that I'm going to add 3 kids to class. And so I click down here at the bottom right to do that, and now those 3 kids show up here on my class roster. Okay, so once I have them on the roster, the last thing I need to do is give them an assignment. So I switch over here to the second tab, which is Assignments, and then next to each child, I can select either adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing, or multiplying and dividing 0 to 12. And so I pick an assignment and I click to accept and just move on down the list, picking an assignment for each of my students. Once I'm finished, I can come down here to print, and I can go ahead and print the student login cards that my students will need to access our class account. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.